Best deals.
1. Flat mop. Adapts to every surface: marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Imagine a mop that sprays exactly what you need, where you need it. You can add glass cleaner for cleaning glass, floor cleaner liquid, hand wash for removing oil, or even an essential oil and water for giving an awesome fragrance in your home. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Rake. Made from high-quality steel so it is both strong and lightweight, a bonus when there are a lot of heavy leaves to lift up. Also, with the adjustable fan, it folds to a tighter profile so that it is less apt to be damaged while being stored between raking jobs. Smooth handle helps easy adjustment of garden rake head in seconds and makes long-time gardening an enjoyable experience. The tight lock switch keeps rake head fixed in any width. Adjust rake head width. One rake will do all the jobs both in tight and wide spaces. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Brush. Has plastic-coated telescopic rust-proof steel rod to prevent it from rusting. Sturdy plastic body. Strong body and soft bristles to clean with ease. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Window glass cleaner. Effective for cleaning single glazing windows between 0.12 up to 0.3 inches, 3 to 8 mm thickness. Easy to clean. It cleans the outside of your windows while staying in your room. Strong absorption force. High quality plastic material, practical, solid, anti-drop and durable. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tissue clip mop. Built with a sturdy frame and high quality materials. The ergonomic design construction make it easy to maneuver and use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bathroom floor cleaning brush. The brush gives you a great bathroom home cleaning experience. Tile cleaning brushes have sturdy abs and hard metal rods that are not easy to break and provide effective household cleaning. Long-handled brush for designed with 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees rotatable head to provide any angle for your cleaning job. Helps you to clean corners and grooves easily and quickly. It can easily solve the corners that are difficult to reach with ordinary brushes, and there is no need to worry about loose joints or brush head wobble. Floor brush with long handle consists of 3 detachable metal rods. The removable rod can be changed according to different cleaning needs. The bathroom scrubber with handle is made of high-quality materials and is robust and durable. The cleaning brush is also equipped with a non-slip ever handle and a hanging hole to give you the best possible experience. This scrubber with handle set is the ideal helper for your cleaning needs. This versatile designed tub cleaner brush with long handle can meet all your daily cleaning needs. They are perfect for cleaning bathrooms, tubs, tiles, glass, walls, ceilings and hard-to-touch areas. Scouring pad brush head cleans dust and stains, suitable for cleaning bathtubs, tiles, floors. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sponge mop. Specially designed horizontal grooves to remove, absorb and lift tough dirt, lint and hair off floors, windows and other hard surfaces. Heavy-duty aluminum handle comes with 2 pole extension pieces so you can adjust the height from 35 inches to 45 inches to accommodate various heights and tasks. The lightweight design allows you to reach tall windows and deep under furniture without tiring you out. When you are done, you can take the pole apart for easy storage. Easily used to a variety of ground, though physical. Cleaning. Take gentle care of all kinds of ground. Scope of application. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Super absorbent polyvinyl acetate sponge head cleans gently without scratching. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Scrub brush. 2-in-1 design flow scrub brush with stiff bristle rubber squeegee, strong cleaning ability, brush scrape steps to easily remove the stain, stubborn grime, dirty water, and dust, improve effectiveness when you're doing housework. The swivel tile floor cleaning grout brush is made of extremely stiff V-shaped bristles. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Duster. It is great for you to clean your car, auto, and also can be used for daily household chores like cleaning window blinds, ceiling fans, bookshelves. The pole is made from stainless steel, hard to break, and long service life. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Spin mop. Has a microfiber mop head which is designed to pick up liquid, oil, dirt, dust, hair, and grime on all hard floor surfaces, ensuring a thorough and effective clean every time. The handle of the spin mop features an easy ring puller that allows you to wring out excess water without bending or straining your back. Plus, it gives you complete control over water release, so you can customize the moisture level of your mop. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Wipers. High-quality silicone blade effectively collects dust, hair, and liquids without damaging surfaces. Slim, foldable design allows for convenient storage, perfect for small spaces and closets. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cleaning brush. 18 inches wide coverage and exceptional durability. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Flexible Cleaner Duster. The brush features a long, flexible handle and sturdy bristles that can effectively reach and scrub every nook and cranny. Effectively removes dust, dirt, and lint from machine blades, hoses, and back panels. Use this brush to help clean residual lint and dust from the dryer filter and dryer vent, reducing lint buildup to improve dryer performance. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Gap Dust Cleaner. Long flat flexible cleaning duster is the perfect cleaning tool for hard-to-reach places. Generously sized microfiber head cleans large surfaces quickly trap dust, lint, breadcrumbs, hair, dirt so you can clean effortlessly, traps and holds dust without the use of additional cleaning chemicals. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Vacuum Cleaner. Can both vacuum and mop, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. Turbo Sweep technology, enhanced cleaning efficiency with the Turbo Sweep feature, providing thorough and quick cleaning. Features a suction capacity of greater than 20 kPa, providing strong suction to capture dust and debris effortlessly. Comes with a 600 ml dust cup capacity, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. This 3-in-1 device functions as both a vacuum and mop, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. Effortlessly clean hardwood floors, tile floors, carpets, sofa and window grills. Lightweight and handheld design allows for easy maneuverability and convenience in cleaning. Designed using in mind the problem customers face in cleaning hard-to-reach areas like under the bed, sofas or other furniture. The stick of the vacuum cleaner is sleek and can reach all these places for ultimate and complete cleaning of the area, suck out as small as microns dust and particles hidden deeply in sofas and mattresses. Dirt just can't hide anymore. Vacuum cleaner features enhanced and washable HEPA filters which are capable of capturing 99.97% debris, dander and dust. It further extends the lifetime of the appliance and effectively avoids clog of filters while ensuring suction in perfect condition. Product link is given in the 15th link.